Hi, welcome to the farm market. I'm Caroline. I manage our farm market here at 21 Acres, and I'm going to show you guys around.
Yay, thanks Caroline.
Yeah. So because it's Friday, we got a bread delivery this morning from Tafoni Bakehouse. They're a really wonderful local baker that bakes with local flour. That's one of my favorite things that we have in today. We're also starting to see more spring greens, which is really exciting. We had a long stretch of mostly root vegetables and things like that, so we're starting to get more greens, which is really wonderful. We also sell, in addition to all of our produce, a huge variety of local dairy, local cheeses, local eggs. We have meat, we have pantry products, we have flour, things like that.
It's also beautiful, Caroline.
Thank you. I can't take credit, it's really due to the farmers.
And here's Liesl packing some flour. Awesome. So in this series, we're talking about the food system, and we've talked a little bit about what a food system is, but I'm wondering if you could share with our community what a local food system is.
Yeah. So a local food system, I mean, it's sort of broad, but the way that I think of it is everything that is being produced around you. So ingredients that are being grown on local farms, animals that are being raised locally, grains that are being harvested locally, food that's being that is rooted in the place that you're in. It means your local watershed and the fish that are caught around you. It's all the things that are kind of playing into your local ecosystem. And yeah.
Well, thank you. And I'm wondering, why do you think it's important for folks to have access to local food?
Well, I think what we've seen recently, certainly, is that local food systems can be more resilient than globalized food systems when it comes to global crises. If we see things like the coronavirus outbreak, having a resilient local food system means that we will have security and be able to continue eating and continue our local food economy, even when on a grander scale things are falling apart.
Yes.
For want of a better way to put it.
Thanks for bringing in the hope. Maybe for our younger folks watching, can you explain what you mean by resilient?
It means that no matter what's going on in the world, you are able to keep eating and to keep taking care of the planet and keep cooking and keep, it basically is like being sustainable. Being resilient means you're strong and you're able to keep going even when things are hard.
Awesome. And do you have any last words for our young people who are starting to discover how they're involved in the food system?
Try eating everything. Try cooking everything. Just stay curious and stay open and have fun with food. Let food be a fun thing.
Yay. Thank you so much, Caroline.
Yeah.